Your family is telling you that you can sing. Your neighbors are telling you that you sing bad. Your friends are telling you that you can sing. But what if they are all wrong? What if it's not the lack of a good voice or the musical ear, but instead is you trying to sing outside of your vocal range? In this video, we will explore the concept of the vocal range, and I will give you 3 tips that will instantly boost your confidence while singing. The vocal range is basically the span of notes that you feel comfortable singing. So if you are singing along with your favorite song and the melody goes, let's say, to the note C5 like this, and your vocal range is up to G4, your voice will sound bad while singing the high notes. It doesn't mean that you can't sing at all, that you don't have a good voice, and so on, but rather that you can beautifully sing the notes that are outside of your vocal range. Let's now explore 5 ways that will increase your confidence while singing. Number 1. Find your vocal range. The best way is to sing each note along with the piano, or go on YouTube and sing along with the video tutorial. I will put an example at the end of this video. Number 2. Find the perfect songs for your vocal range. Go to this site, enter your vocal range, and you will find the songs that you can already sing along with the original. Number 3. Transpose the song to a key that corresponds to your vocal range. For example, if you want to sing a whole tone lower than the original, either ask your band to change the key or use an online MP3 pitch shifter to transpose the song. Like in this example. Bonus tip: get familiar with the falsetto range. By using it, you can sometimes sing higher than your normal vocal range. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.